interested for the condition monitoring of the induction motor, then we have to follow these two techniques to make the condition monitoring, or you can say the satisfactory operation of our induction motor. Yes, and previous to that we have discussed the methods are available for our direct method or indirect method for finding out the degree of polymerization. What is the meaning of degree of polymerization? The degree of polymerization is nothing but it is a state of you can say insulation paper. You can say whenever it starts degrading, so it indicates some value. Yes, so ideally the degree of polymerization for the new paper is around 1100 to 1200. Yes, so that value you have to keep in mind, 1100 to 1200. Yes, so this is the standard value for the DP. Yes, but if the value is less than 200, we have to replace, or you can say the paper starts degrading. Yes, so that is a important conclusion we have find out. Yes. After that, we have seen there are two methods are available called as direct method and indirect method. Yes, and inside the indirect method, there is a concept of Furan. Yes, today we are interested for the unit number 4B, that is nothing but related to the testing of power cable. Now we are at the end of our course. Yes, so our course starts with installation, maintenance, and we are now at the verge of testing. Yes, so here you can see the heading or the title of the unit is testing of electrical equipment. So under this we are interested for testing of power cable. So I hope the screen is visible to you and my voice is audible to you. Yes. And we are interested to test the power cable. Yes, because we know that we are using the power cable for the transmission purpose, or you can say for distribution purpose inside the switchyard, or you can say inside the substation. Hence, make sure that we have to test our power cable. No doubt, before the installation, we have to test this power cable, and after the installation also we have to test the power cable. Same condition, same experiment you are conducting or you are doing inside your lab for the electrical machine. Testing of induction motor or testing of a transformer, polarity test. Yes, so that experiments you have already performed in your electrical machines one. Yes, now why there is a need of test? To get a satisfactory operation of that particular electrical equipment, we have to carry the test. Same way, from the next week, you are having the test. Yes, because we want to know how much knowledge or how much concept you have understood from particular course. So we are interested for the test. Not the test only, but we are interested for the result also. Yes, make sure that our efficiency is about 100%. It means our output should be high rather than our input. Yes, and then only you can say you can achieve a good marks in your particular course. Yes, so here we can see we are interested for the testing of power cables. So obviously we have to follow the causes of failure of cable. Yes, we have to find out the fault location methods. Yes, the remedial actions after finding out the fault, and we are interested for the second important testing, that is called the testing of a transformer. So obviously there are two tests are available, that is called the type test, and second is called as a routine test. Yes, we will see this concept in detail. Yes, but there is an important concept that is called as the power cable. Why we are using the power cable? For the purpose of transmission, we are using the power cable. Yes, and we know that this power cable is laid in the underground. Yes, so whenever I'm going to say the word cable, not a conductor, so it is related to the cable, or you can say conductor lying inside the earth. That is called as a cable. Yes, and there is a difficult, or you can say there is the tedious work to find out the fault location. Because you know that, let's say this is the end of our college end. Let's say this is our college end, KBIT, and let's say this is the end called as our ST, or you can say state transport bus stand. Yes, Baramati state transport bus stand. Yes, you can see the difference, or you can see the length between the VPKBIT campus and ST bus stand. Yes, and if there is a cable is lying in between these two, so let's say this is the cable for the purpose of transmission from the ST bus stand to our campus. Yes, let's say if there is a fault at this point. Yes, but we don't know where there is a fault, because there is a earth is covered of this top of the conductor. Yes, hence there is an important concept, or there is an important method to find out the fault location. Yes, we are interested for finding out the fault. If you can find the exact location of the fault, then you can dig out this particular earth area and you can remove that fault, and our continuity of supply will remain constant, or will remain in continuous. But if there is no method is available, then you have to dig hole the conductor, hole the earth. You have to dig the area between VPKBIT campus and you can say the ST bus stand, and there is a lot of wastage of energy, of human, and lot of wastage of money also. तुम्हाला कळत असेल की कोणतीही गोष्ट, कोणतीही व्यक्ती करण्यासाठी पैसे मागतो आपल्याकडे. कोणतेही काम असेल, साधं त्याला फॅन बसवायचा असेल, किंवा इफ वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू इन्स्टॉल द रेफ्रिजरेटर, येस, or we can say to get the demo of the washing machine, they are charging the cost. मग ती कॉस्ट कुठे ऍड केलेली असते? तुमच्या प्रॉडक्ट मध्ये ती कॉस्ट ऍड केलेली असते. येस, अशी कोणतीही कंपनी नाहीये जगामध्ये की ती फुकट तुम्हाला डेमो देईल किंवा फुकट तुम्हाला राईड देईल. जसं तुम्ही बघतात की व्हेकलची जर तुम्हाला बुक करायची असेल तर ते राईड तुम्हाला ऑफर करतात. येस, त्यांच्या मागे त्यांचा उद्देश असा असतो की तुम्ही त्याला तुम्हाला ती कन्सेप्ट आवडेल, तुम्हाला ती गाडी आवडेल, आणि यू आर गोइंग टू बाय दॅट पर्टिक्युलर कार. येस, हेन्स if we are going to find out the exact location of particular fault, then there is a lot of saving in the energy also, human energy also, and there is a lot of saving in the, you can say in terms of rupees also. Hence there is a technique is available, or there is a method is available called as Murray loop test. We will see this concept in detail at this point, and we have to know what are the remedial actions of finding out the fault. After finding out the fault, we have to remove that particular conductor, we have to test again, and we have to remove that particular fault. Yes, so this is the concept of the fault location method. Yes, now we will go ahead. We are interested for our particular topic, that is called the testing of power cables. Yes, so let me share my screen so that you can get the idea about what is the power cable and why we have to carry the test on particular power cable. Okay, so let me share my screen. Yes, it is going to present. Okay, now you can see over here we are interested for the unit number 4B, testing of power cable, and I have intentionally used the picture of power cable. Yes, here you can see the insulator is available, black you can say coating, or you can say black material is wrapped on particular conductor. Yes, so this is called as an insulator. No doubt it has a high amount of resistance. This outer material is having the high amount of resistance. Yes, and here inside you can see there are sheets are available. Yes, so for the purpose of giving the mechanical strength, we are using these sheets. And here you can see there are a lot of conductors are available inside this. Now there is a one question for you: why we are not using one solid conductor here? You can see over here we can use either a one solid conductor inside this particular cable. Instead of using one solid conductor, we are using a number of strands. Yes, so here you can see this is the one strand. Here you can see this is the second strand. Here you can see this is the third strand. Yes, so this is one strand, this is second strand, this is third strand, fourth, like this. Yes, there are a lot of strands are available. Question is that why we are not preferring one solid conductor? Why we are preferring a number of strands? So what can be answer for this? You can unmute yourself, you can write in the chat box also. Yes, so that your thinking capability is going to increase. Because see, inside the interview, there is a no direct question will be asked for you. What is a feeder? What is a, you can say, distributor? What is a service mains? It is not like that. They are going to ask you what is the design consideration of feeder, what is the difference between feeder and distributor. Like that they are going to ask comparison. Yes, or they are going to twist the question. Same way, my question is that why we are not using a solid conductor, one solid conductor. Yes, so what is the answer? To reduce the losses. रेखा यांचं म्हणणं आहे की for reducing the losses we are using the number of strands. Any other answer apart from this? Why we are not using a solid conductor, one solid conductor? To reduce the losses, it is okay. If any one of that cable fails, other continue to carry the current. Okay, अंकिता यांचं असं म्हणणं आहे की जर एखादा कंडक्टर किंवा एखादा स्ट्रँड जर फेल झाला, so other conductors or other strands will carry the current. Okay, to reduce the coronal loss. Okay, any other answer apart from this? To reduce the skin effect. Okay, other answer, I'm expecting something right, or you can say something the keyword I want particularly. So what can be the answer of this? Have you got the question? All of you have got the question? Yes, I hope my voice is audible to you. We know that whenever we are using one solid conductor, yes, so obviously we are interested for dissipation of heat. Yes, dissipation of heat. If we are using a number of strands, our heat dissipation is get distributed. Yes, as we are sending or we are transmitting the current from one end to another end. Current carries or current is converted into heat. Yes, to distribute this heat, we are using a number of strands. No doubt there are a lot of reasons are available to reduce the coronal loss, to reduce the skin effect. Yes, but the main reason is to dissipate the amount of heat we are using the number of strands. तुम्हाला कळत असेल की तुमच्या घरामध्ये ज्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला व्होल्टेजच्या रिलेटेड जो कन्सेप्ट असतो ना, किंवा ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही लॅबमध्ये मल्टीमीटर व्होल्टमीटर आणि ॲमीटर जेव्हा तुम्ही यूज केले असतील, त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला असं सांगितलं गेलं असेल की व्होल्टमीटर इफ यू आर कनेक्टिंग विथ द वायर, देन यू हॅव टू यूज अ नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रँड्स where there is a present in particular wire that you have to connect for the voltmeter. Yes, and for the ammeter you can use a single conductor also. Yes, so it means we have to divide or we have to dissipate the amount of heat developed inside the particular conductor. Hence you can see in the picture we are using a number of strands. Yes, we are interested for a power cable. So what is a power cable? Power cable is nothing but it is an electrical cable. The important word is here is nothing but the electrical cable. So in some books they are using a word as electrical cable. That is nothing but the power cable. It is an assembly of one or more electrical conductors. So that we have seen the strands. Yes, usually held together with an overall sheath. So that is the concept I told you earlier. This is nothing but the sheath. You can see the silver foil is wrapped for this particular conductors, and that is called as the sheath. Yes, it has a particular function. Yes, without this function we are not using the particular material that we have discussed in the material science subject. Yes, power cables may be installed as permanent wiring within the buildings, buried in the ground, run overhead or exposed. Power cable चे application कुठे कुठे आहे? We are using within the buildings for the purpose of transmission. We are burying this in the ground. We are running this particular power cable overheadly, or that can be exposed, that can be open to the world. An electrical cable or power cable is used to transmit the electrical power. that is a function or that is the objective of this particular power cable. The electrical cables provide the connection and allow the power stations, wired computer networks, televisions, telephones, and other electricity powered devices to work. So this is the application. Now, what are the components of electrical cable? All the electrical cables consist of at least two conducting wires and an outer protective jacket. I'm using the word as jacket because it is outside. For the medium to high power cables that carry the high voltages, the conducting wires within the outer protective jacket may individually be enclosed in insulating sheets. The electrical conductors are commonly made of copper, or sometimes they are made with the aluminum. Yes? Synthetic polymers make the outer jacket and protective insulating material. So here there will be a question will be asked for you. What is the material we are using for our outer jacket? So the answer is synthetic polymer, which is acting as an insulator. Yes. So here you can see the picture of electrical power cable. Here you can see there is an oversheet is available. Yes, which is made with here the synthetic polymer. The armor is available. Yes, so you can see this parallel lines are available, and which is used for protection from the particular mechanical injury. Yes, this is the inner sheath is available. So this is the outer sheath and this is the inner sheath. And inside this, there is a conductor is available. So this is the, you can say the layers are available which protects this particular conductor. What are the advantages of power cable? As we know that it has inside conductors and outside covers like insulation systems, fillers, armoring, or can be we are using the serving also. The power cables are used for various voltages up to 11 kilovolt. So that is a limitation of this power cable. Equal to, or you can say less than 11 kilovolt, we are using the power cable. Yes. Why we are not using above 11 kilovolt? Because there is a problem of insulation. तुम्हाला कळत असेल आता की if we are using or if we are increasing a number of current, जर आपण करंटची व्हॅल्यू ही वाढवली तर तुम्हाला इन्सुलेशन हे तेवढं लागेल, and because of that particular insulation the cost is going to increase. मग तुम्ही कन्सिडर करा की if I am manufacturing, no doubt मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करता येतं बरं, 33 किलो व्होल्टचा पॉवर केबल सुद्धा बनवता येईल, असं नाही की तुम्ही म्हणणार की तो अवेलेबलच नाही जगामध्ये. 66 किलो व्होल्टचा पॉवर केबल सुद्धा तुम्हाला बनवता येईल. येस, 132 किलो व्होल्टचा पॉवर केबल सुद्धा तुम्हाला बनवता येईल. बट इफ वी आर कंपेअरिंग 132 किलो व्होल्ट अंडरग्राउंड केबल and if we are comparing 132 kilovolt of overhead cable, the cost of overhead cable is cheaper. हा खूप स्वस्त असेल overhead वाला, and whereas अंडरग्राउंड वाला 132 kilovolt चा जो कंडक्टर असेल किंवा जो पॉवर केबल असेल तो खूप कॉस्टली असेल. Hence we are avoiding this condition. Why? Because as the voltage or current level increases, we have to use a higher amount of insulating material. And तुम्हाला कळत असेल आता की जसं मटेरियल वाढलं तसं काय वाढते, कॉस्ट सुद्धा वाढते. येस, सो दॅट इज अ सिंपल कन्सेप्ट व्हाय वी आर लिमिटेड टू यूज अ पॉवर केबल 11 किलो व्होल्ट. तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडला असेल, सर 11 किलो व्होल्ट अंडरग्राउंड केबल घेतली आणि 11 किलो व्होल्ट ओव्हरहेड ट्रान्समिशन लाईन घेतली, तर याच्यामध्ये कोण ऍडव्हान्टेजेस आहे? ऑब्विसली बोथ आर ऍडव्हान्टेजेस. येस, बिकॉज 11 किलो व्होल्ट साठी जी कॉस्ट असेल तेवढीच कॉस्ट मला 11 किलो व्होल्ट ओव्हरहेड कंडक्टर साठी लागेल. हेन्स आय एम युझिंग बोथ द कंडक्टर्स ऍज पर माय चॉईस और ऍज पर माय नीड और ऍज पर द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द construction or the structure. Yes, power cables are laid on cable racks. तुम्हाला कळत असेल आता की रॅक्स आपल्या घरामध्ये असतं, शू रॅक असतं किंवा यू कॅन से बुक रॅक असतं. येस, इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर वी आर प्लेसिंग अवर शू. येस, सेम वे देयर आर केबल रॅक्स आर अवेलेबल. डक्ट सारखं असतं बघा, तुम्हाला कळत असेल असं डक्ट सारखं त्यांनी अरेंजमेंट केली असते. येस, आणि वी आर लाईंग द कंडक्टर्स ऑन दिस पर्टिक्युलर cable racks. There are several types of power cables. depending upon the type of insulation. So this is the classification now. Yes, type of insulation वर एक classification पडतं, configuration of conductors वर एक classification पडतं, insulating and shielding जे available आहेत आजूबाजूला त्याच्यावर सुद्धा त्याचं काय होतं classification पडतं. Yes, so this is the information about the power cable. There will be always the question will be asked for you, the power cables are used up to dash dash voltage. So the answer is 11 kilovolt voltage only. Now you can see there are different types of cables are available. So might be you have heard this word before. So coaxial cable, ribbon cable, twisted pair cable and shielded cable is also available for our use. No doubt particular cable has particular advantage or particular application. Yes, let's say they are interested for the first point, that is called as a coaxial cable. The name indicates itself. There is a arrangement of copper plated core. Yes, so this core stands for copper. Yes, copper plated core surrounded by a dielectric insulator. A woven sheet of copper surrounds the insulating layer, which is finally wound by an outmost plastic sheet. तुम्हाला सांगितलं मगाशी की मी ज्यावेळेस मी शीट डिफरंट यूज करेल, माझा केबलचा टाइप हा डिफरंट असेल. येस, इथं आता मी प्लास्टिक शीट यूज केलाय. You can use the synthetic polymer also, but there can be a different name for this. Coaxial cables differ in size, performance, flexibility, power handling capabilities, and cost. They are used at application. They are used to connect home audio and video equipments. तुम्ही बघितलं असेल तुमच्या घरामध्ये जी टीव्हीला किंवा ज्यावेळेस तुमच्या रेडिओला किंवा इफ यू आर युजिंग अ सीडी प्लेअर, डीव्हीडी प्लेअर. येस, आता हे सगळे आउटडेटेड गोष्टी झाल्या आहेत, पण ज्यांच्या घरामध्ये असतील त्या गोष्टी त्यांना ती कळत असेल की एक येलो वायर आणि एक रेड वायर आणि एक ऑर यू कॅन से एक व्हाईट वायर असते. दॅट इज नथिंग बट द कोएक्सियल केबल. येस, टेलिव्हिजन नेटवर्क्स, components of a local area network, hard line, leaky cable, RG6, twin axial, biaxial, semi-rigid are the types of coaxial cable. म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळत असेल आता की पॉवर केबल हे एक सब हेडिंग झालं, मेन हेडिंग झालं. पॉवर केबलच्या अंडर कोएक्सियल केबल एक हेडिंग झालं आणि कोएक्सियलच्या अंडर परत हार्ड लाईन आहे, लिकी केबल आहे, RG6 आहे, ट्विन लाईन आहे, बायएक्सियल आहे, सेमी रिजिड आहे. हे परत काय झाले टाइप्स झाले. तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडला असेल सर एवढे टाइप्स कशामुळे झालेत, एवढे टाइप्स कशामुळे झालेत, तर ऍप्लिकेशन्स मुळे एवढे टाइप्स झालेत. वी कॅनॉट यूज वन पर्टिक्युलर केबल फॉर ऑल द ऍप्लिकेशन्स. कुठे काहीतरी आपल्याला व्हिडिओ ऑडिओ ट्रान्समिट सिग्नल करायला काहीतरी 3 कंडक्टर लागेल अजून. सो वी आर चेंजिंग द ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर कॉपर प्लेटेड कोर. येस, हेन्स देयर आर टाइप्स. द सेकंड टाइप इज रिबन केबल. The ribbon electrical cable also called as multi-wire planar electrical cable. तुम्हाला कळत असेल आता की ज्यावेळेस आपण आर्डिनो कदाचित तुम्ही बघितलं असेल, आर्डिनोला ज्यावेळेस आपण ज्या कंडक्टर्स वापरतो ना, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द रिबन केबल. डिफरंट कलरचे काय असतात, पर्टिक्युलरली त्यांचे कलर्स असतात आणि त्या कलर्स मध्ये काय असतात तुमच्या पर्टिक्युलरली वायर्स असतात. मल्टी वायर प्लॅनर इलेक्ट्रिकल केबल और फ्लॅट ट्विन केबल्स इज मेड अप ऑफ multiple insulated wires running parallel to each other. Yes, we will show the picture also. Yes, so that you will remember the concept with that analyzing, or you can say by seeing that particular picture. These parallel wires allow a simultaneous transmission of multiple signals of data. According to optical communications essentials, a typical ribbon cable consists of 4 to 12 conductors or wires. तुम्हाला कळत असेल आता की 12 वायर्सचा बनवून त्यांनी एक रिबन केबल ही फॉर्म केलेली आहे. इट इज द कॉमनली युज्ड टू इंटरकनेक्ट द नेटवर्क डिव्हाइसेस. रिबन केबल्स also connect the motherboard with the other core CPU, central processing unit, components in computers. त्यांच्याकडे कॉम्प्युटर्स असेल आणि जर ते ओपन असतील तर मदरबोर्डला जी कनेक्ट केली आहे सीपीयू थ्रू, we are using the ribbon cable. Yes. Third is the twisted pair cable. Pair means we are using 2 conductors and we have to twist that particular pair which forms a cable. A twisted pair electrical cable consists of pairs of insulated copper wires that are color coded, which are twisted around each other. The diameter of each wire ranges from 0.4 to 0.8 millimeter, and the number of pairs vary in different types of twisted pair cables. The greater the number of pairs, the higher the resistance of the cable will be to external noise and crosstalk. The twisted pair cables are easy to install, flexible, inexpensive, and where we are using for the purpose of telephone cabling, to write the local area networks, we are using a twisted pair cable. And the fourth type is shielded cable. Now we can see we are using a shield, so it forms a shielded cable. A shielded electrical cable is made of one or more insulated wires that are collectively enclosed by an aluminium mylar foil or woven braid shielding. The shielding prevents the cable from external radio and power frequency interference. It allows the signal transmission to proceed smoothly. High voltage power cables are commonly shielded. So this is the conclusion. ज्या हाय व्होल्टेज पॉवर केबल असतील ना त्यांना आपल्याला शिल्डिंगची गरज असतेच. Yes, now we will see the pictures of this particular power cable. Okay, so just a minute, let me share my screen. Yes, so this is the picture of coaxial cable. Yes, so here you can see we are interested for the coaxial cable, and here you can see the same construction is available, but we are using a copper wire inside this. Coaxial is related to the copper coated or copper plated core. Yes, and we are using a copper mesh. Yes, so tomorrow this is the net structure ahe. So this is nothing but the coaxial cable. The second cable which we are interested is related to the ribbon cable. So just a minute, let me show you the ribbon cable. So here you can see the ribbon cable is available like this. Yes, as a plate aste or sorry, conductors he collectively place केलेले असतात. 4 to 12 conductors are available. So here you can see the ribbon cable. Yes, so these are the different types of cables available with us. Yes, and the third one is the twisted pair cable. So just a minute, twisted pair cable. Yes, so you can here you can see there are twists are available for particular wire, and they are forming one particular cable. Yes, and this is called an unshielded twisted pair cable. So you can see the cost 650 rupees. So it depends on the meter, obviously. So here you can see 650 per coil. Yes, and we are interested for this particular cable for the application of Ethernet cable, internet cable, broadband cable, line wire, or UTP cables. Yes, obviously there are different types of cables are available depending on the different application. Yes, and the last one is related to the shielded cable. Yes, so this is the last cable which we are interested for particular you can say the type. So this is the shielded cable. Yes, so there is a shielding is available, or you can say it is also called as screened cable. So this is the another name. Yes, so there can be another advantage of this particular cable is that whenever we are using this particular cable, obviously there are the cost is involved in this particular. So तुम्हाला कळत असेल आता की कोणती केबलची कॉस्ट ही सारखी नसेल, त्याच्यामध्ये व्हरायटी आहेत, ऍप्लिकेशन्स डिफरंट आहेत, करंट हँडलिंग कॅपॅसिटी ही डिफरंट आहे, अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस we know that or we found that or we conclude that the cost is different. आणि तुम्ही जर बाजारात गेले इलेक्ट्रिकलच्या दुकानामध्ये आणि तुम्ही मला सांगितलं की 3 कोर केबल द्या किंवा 3 कोर कंडक्टर द्या, सो तो मीटरवर तुम्हाला त्याचा भाव सांगतो. येस, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द पॉवर केबल. येस, वी हॅव नॉट स्टार्टेड विथ द युनिट येट. आपण काय केलं, फक्त एक इंट्रोडक्शन बघितलं, particular what is a power cable, what are the advantages, what are the types. Yes, it is not going to ask in your question paper. Yes, but for the purpose of testing we are interested to know about particular information. Yes, now here we are interested for the failure modes. So I hope the screen is visible to you, and there are different areas in which the failure can be occurred. So let's say the first reason or first area can be a manufacturing. At the end of manufacturing, so there can be a formation of voids, contaminants, obstructions, eccentricity, inadequate impregnation, tapping defects are available, and because of this there can be the manufacturing faults are available. So I have divided this area depending on the operation. Yes, so at the side of manufacturing there can be a manufacturing failure. At the side of construction and installation there can be a failure because of poor environment, duct pipe integrity, improper installation, external damage. So handling can be a reason. Yes, third area can be mechanical. So because of vibration, you can see, because of vibration produced while handling or while installing there can be a failure. Diggings, ज्यावेळेस आपण खोदकाम करतो त्यावेळेस सुद्धा तिथे मेकॅनिकल व्हायब्रेशन्स मुळे there can be a failure mode, or you can say other physical damage. So this is the third area. The fourth area is nothing but the operational area. So ज्या ठिकाणी ऑपरेशन होतं त्या ठिकाणी सुद्धा फेल्युअर होण्याचे चान्सेस हे वाढतात. लेट्स से इफ देयर इज अ एक्सेसिव्ह हीट इज गोइंग टू हॅपन. जर तुम्हाला कळत असेल की एक्सेसिव्ह हीट एखाद्या ठिकाणी जर डेव्हलप होत असेल कंटिन्युअसली, सो इट कॅन लेड टू द फेल्युअर. येस, कोरोजन कॅन बी अ रिझन. फ्लुइड मायग्रेशन, ज्यामध्ये काही वेळेस पॉवर केबल मध्ये फ्लुइड सुद्धा वापरतात फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियल, फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ कुलिंग. सो तर ते फ्लुइड हे मायग्रेट झालं, सो दॅट कॅन बी अ डॅमेज टू पर्टिक्युलर पॉवर केबल. ट्रिंग इफेक्ट, hydraulic pressure may suddha there can be a failure mode. Yes, so these are the 4 areas where there can be a failure is going to occur for this particular power cable. So the question will be asked for you in such a way that discuss the failure modes of the power cable. So you have to categorize into the 4 areas and you have to elaborate these 4 areas in detail. Yes, now we are interested for the fault location strategies. Yes, so that is an important concept from your syllabus. So they have mentioned we are interested to find out the fault location. First we have to find out the fault. Yes, which fault is this, and we have to find out the location, because we know that the laying of conductor can be in terms of kilometers. हा जो लेइंग ऑफ कंडक्टर असेल ना तो किलोमीटर्स मध्ये असेल, आणि जर तुम्हाला फॉल्ट लोकेशनच सापडलं नाही आणि तुम्हाला जर सांगितलं तिथल्या जो ऑफिसर असेल किंवा जो तिथला बॉस असेल त्याने सांगितलं की यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द फॉल्ट, तर तुम्ही असं करणार का पूर्ण जी अर्थ आहे तेवढी ले केलेली ती पूर्ण तुम्ही डिग करसाल का? नाही, तुम्हाला 2-3 दिवस लागून जातील. सो देयर कॅन बी अ ह्यूज रेव्हेन्यू लॉस ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फॉल्ट. येस, so there can be a strategy is available for finding out the fault location. So fault location methods are grouped into 2 areas. First is the terminal methods and pre-locating. It is usually associated with approximating the location. या मेथड मध्ये तुम्हाला approximate location मिळतं, म्हणजे लेट्स से इकडे 500 मीटर आणि इकडे 500 मीटर. नो डाउट यू हॅव टू डिग आउट दिस 500 meter this side and 500 meter this side. Yes, because this is a not exact method. Yes, second method they are going to develop. So obviously पहिल्यांदा ही मेथड डेव्हलप झाली असेल आणि त्याचं जे डिसएडव्हान्टेज असतील हे ह्या मेथड मध्ये डिस्कस केले असतील किंवा रिमूव्ह केले असतील. So second method is tracer method and pinpointing. We have to pinpoint the fault. Yes, determining the specific section of cable that has a problem. Yes, and after finding out this fault location, we have to remove. So in the next class, we will discuss this fault location types. Yes, so obviously there are methods are available for particular terminal method and this tracer method. So these are the types of fault location. So these are the subtypes again. Yes, and we are interested for finding out the location of particular fault for our cable. I hope you understood the today's concept or today's lecture about the power cable. Yes, so what we have discussed in the today's class, just quickly revise the things. We have discussed what is the meaning of power cable, what is the application of power cable, what are the advantages of power cable, what are the types of power cable available, and we have seen the pictures also for that particular power cable, and we have seen the fault location methods are available in terms of tracer method and in terms of pre-locating methods. Yes, in the next class we will discuss the important concept that is called the Murray loop test. Murray loop test. Yes, so if you understood the concept of today's class, then you can write yes in the chat box. And I have conducted or I have taken the attendance of this today's class, and thank you for attending the class. So if you have any doubt related to this, you can ask me at any time, and start preparation for unit number 1, 2, 3, as there is a unit test starts from the next week. Okay, so कुठेही काही absent राहू नका कोणत्याही कोर्स मध्ये. येस, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला तुमची प्रॅक्टिस होईल, अँड ऑब्विसली द टेस्ट इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू इव्हॅल्युएट. येस, सो परफॉर्मन्स चेक करण्यासाठी आपण टेस्ट घेतो आहे. सो त्यासाठी अभ्यासाला सुरुवात करा. अजूनही 5 दिवस आहेत, वेळ गेलेली नाही आहे. येस, टप्प्याटप्प्याने जसं तुम्हाला क्लास नोट्स मध्ये दिले गेले असतील, जसं तुम्हाला शिकवलं गेलं असेल त्या पद्धतीने यूज करा. येस, आणि जे आपले रिव्हिजनचे व्हिडिओ आहेत अवेलेबल गुगल क्लासरूम मध्ये, ते सुद्धा बघितले तर तुम्हाला 3 hours मध्ये EIMT चं प्रिपरेशन होईल असं मला वाटतं. ओके, सो थँक्यू फॉर अटेंडिंग द क्लास, अँड यू कॅन लिव्ह द क्लास नाऊ. थँक्यू.